What are you doing, buddy?
About to make a fire.
Do you have to talk in an Australian voice when you make a fire?
No, I guess not.
Does that help? No, keep doing it if it helps.
No.
How many tree huggers are you pissing off right now?
Hopefully a bunch. Hopefully.
You making a bow and arrow and about to kill something?
Yeah.
Cool, dude. He got a little excited when he hit a squirrel with the rock the other day. Now he's in hunting mode. He hasn't stopped since.
I'm hungry. Need to make a fire.
With just a knife, nothing else. No deer urine, no little tricks of the trade. No torches. I see where you're going. Stay away from that flammable stuff. It would be so easy. But no, he's got to cut grass and stuff. Where'd you go, Cole? Some camo really working. It's like grating cheese, huh?
Pretty much.
That's nature's cheese right there. Put that a little bit of that on your spaghetti. The fajita.
You know, every time you talk, it's never going to make it on the video.
Why did you ask me to film this then if you didn't expect me to add a little commentary?
Because I didn't know it was going to sound...
This is probably not going to help your allergies at all.
I don't think cedar does it to me.
We would have already frozen to death by now, buddy.
No, we wouldn't.
Mm-hmm.
I'm warm, dude.
You're warm right now?
Yeah.
But what if you were in like what if it was 20 degrees colder?
Well, if this is all I had, I'm going to take my time and make sure I get it done right.
And die in the process.
I would be dead right now.
I would be.
Even 20 degrees.
I would already given up on life.
Well, then set the phone down over there.
Would it be cool if you find an arrowhead right now when you weren't looking for one?
No, I don't really need an arrowhead right now.
It's not that you need one. Arrowheads are cool to find anyways.
Any questions yet?
Are you asking me or are you asking them?
Well, you're the only one that can respond to me immediately.
You don't know that. I could be telepathic.
Okay.
Don't assume that. Don't assume that I'm not.
From them. Do you have any from them?
Yeah, kinda.
Okay.
You could explain what you're doing?
All right. I'm making a fire.
Clearly, but I mean, there's no fire in front of you right now, so you're not making a
We
fire.
have to go through a process. So So far what I've done, I've got my knife.
Knife.
This is my tool that's going to help me make my fire. So I've got my fire board right here. I've got a catch board right here. I've got my tinder bundle right here. So whenever I make my amber, I've got my bow right here.
Dude, I was right. I asked you if you were making a bow.
I've got my string right here that I'm probably going to use. And I went and found me a socket.
Is that 550 cord?
Yeah, it is. Anyways, this is my spindle. And I'm just preparing everything. Yeah, this is the long way to do it, but I think I can make fire out in the wilderness without anything.
Is it pretty exciting whenever you make a fire out of nothing?
It's pretty badass. And usually it surprises people because they really are like, I don't think this motherfucker's gonna, there's no way this guy's gonna make a fire right here out of nothing.
Well, I mean, it's been documented multiple times that it's possible.
Well, absolutely.
I don't think that it's impossible. I just think it's implausible.
Well,
if that's a word.
What if? That's why, and I think it's just fun. That's a technique that's a badass skill to have.
Without a doubt. Without a doubt.
So, to me, why wouldn't you want to know how to do it?
Well, I don't catch myself in a survival scenario very often.
Hopefully, everything works. Key is to get a good, like a good base.
So they stopped doing it with your hands. You don't have to spin it with your hands no more. You use the bow.
Well, I like the bow because
it makes a whole lot more
you
sense.
can put a lot more pressure on it. All right, we already got smoke.
That's called friction.
That's right.
Ladies and gentlemen.
So, do that. Need to do a little tuning on this.
You're gonna tune your bow up?
I'll tune my bow up a little.
There's that familiar smoke smell. It smells like my house when it was burning down when I was 15.
Key is to get a big pile. And I can see it's still smoking, so.
A big pile of coals?
A big pile of that dust, because that's what's gonna catch your coal once it gets hot enough. Jody don't want to hold the camera for me no more, so I'm gonna stick y'all on my wheel. Balancing my phone right here.
So if I whip real hard, will it fall?
Yeah, dude, don't do that.
All right, I'll try.
Try this fire making thing again. Did y'all see that smoke? Dang.
So here's the deal. Is that right? Here's the deal. Keep slipping. How to make fire, part 2. How to make fire, part 100. Try this again. So a lot of people watch this shit on Naked Afraid and, or, you know, some of those shows. Oh, I can do that. Well,
Yeah, imagine having to do
I
that
can.
naked though.
Well,
Like,
I can. Yeah, my
look
balls.
how close your junk is to
Potential combustion.
I'm just saying, that's potential. The first thing I'd be making is a loincloth right on that show.
Yeah, and some shoes probably. Oh, I got it too tight. Feel like it's gonna pop back and hit me right in the face. No doubt.
Oh, I had it. Come on, buddy.
Blow on that wood. Show the smoke gods what you got, buddy.
I told you I could do it.
An hour and a half later.
I don't care, dude. I told you that I could do it. I told you that I could do it with just my life. Right there, everybody. I'm warm and I'm cooking, baby.
Just like
awesome.
Tom Hanks on Castaway.
Oh man, check
Fire.
that out, boy.
Look what I have created.
Oh, that's awesome.
Can we go eat now?
Yeah, we can go eat lunch now.
Okay.